As part of the 11th National Voters' Day celebration 2021, the District Commissioner's Office of East Khasi District had organized a program wherein the chief guest on the occasion was the Deputy Commissioner of the district, Isawanda Lalu. Speaking at the function, Lalu informed that a cycling rally called the Wheels of Hope, organized by the Office of the Chief Electoral Officer, was flagged off at 8 in the morning of 25th January 2021.
We have had this celebration for 11 years now. Why do we have it? You all know that it marks the establishment of the Election Commission of India way back. The Election Commission of India decided to commemorate this day, the day of its founding, as the National Voters' Day, to remind all of us of our rights as voters, to remind all of us that every citizen of this country who has attained the age of 18, irrespective of where he comes from, what language he speaks, what religion he professes, whether he belongs to a rural area or an urban area, irrespective of his socio-economic status, has the right to exercise his franchise and to press that button, which is a critical role which he is playing in molding and in framing how our policies will be created. By doing this very, very important thing, he plays a role in determining who governs us.
Earlier during the day, a similar program was held at the Raj Bhavan, where the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Satyapal Malik, had felicitated new voters and also read out the pledge to all present at the august premises of the Raj Bhavan, Shillong.
We, the citizens of India, having abiding faith in democracy, hereby pledge to uphold the democratic traditions of our country, and the dignity of free, fair and peaceful elections, and to vote in every election fearlessly and without being influenced by considerations of religion, race, caste, community, language, or any other inducement.